Hey, let's get something straight about the whole rioting thing, the whole looting thing out in the United States right now. Anyone that's doing this, you're a disgrace. You're an absolute disgrace to yourself, to your family, to your kids, to anyone that knows you. And I'm actually surprised and disgusted by the fact that so many people will go and loot, go and destroy things, go and steal things, go and destroy property, all in someone's name that died in vain. You're a disgrace to George Floyd and his name and the unfortunate circumstances that happened to him. And you're using this opportunity to just be a disgusting human being. Really, you're disgusting. And you're giving fuel to the bullshit circumstances that are going on with the government. And you're giving fuel to the president to impose things that really shouldn't be imposed. To impose martial law, to call up the United States military, to call up the National Guard, and use this as a platform to pretty much dictate. And I won't get into politics. These are just facts. Your actions, your personal actions, not only disgrace yourself, not only disgrace your family, your children, your legacy, right? What you leave behind in this world, but you also add fuel to the fire that doesn't need it. Stop, you guys. Go and peacefully protest. I understand what you're going through, but doing this, it's not helping at all. Not at all. All right? For those of us that are frustrated with the situation, that are saddened by the situation, we need to do something about it, right? Peaceful protest, okay, I got it. But we need to elect people in office that are going to impose change, right? I thought that our country, honestly, I thought that our country was better than this. I thought we were past all the racial bullshit that we see now. We elected a black president. Aren't we better than this? Seriously, aren't you better than this as a person? Aren't you better than being a racist? Aren't you better than being a criminal? Aren't you better than stealing? Aren't you better than vandalizing stuff? If you're not, you should want to be. Shouldn't you? I mean, really, shouldn't you want to be better? I'm disgusted. Really, I'm disgusted. I served 24 years in the United States Air Force, and I've seen the world. I've met so many people in my lifetime, and I don't know. I just really thought that we were better in the United States than this. I really did. I really did. I thought we were past this. Anyways, look, I'm going to summarize my message. Anyone that's out there looting and breaking shit and destroying things, you're doing it in George Floyd's name and his legacy, and the blood is on your hands if you're participating in this, right? You're not doing it for a good cause. You're doing it for a pair of Jordans, a pair of Nike. Get the hell out of here, a pair of Jordans. That's pathetic.